friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video I'm setting up my hot chocolate station. Come along with me. Here we go. I'm going to be setting up my chocolate station here. So I'm going to use this tray that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Okay, I've got my hot chocolate here, and I got quite a few hot chocolate. You saw this in a haul, really nice flavors that I have here. And I also have different flavors, just in case people don't like Jamaican hot chocolate. So I got some salted caramel, I got some French vanilla, and this is the Land O'Lakes brand as well. I'm going to display those nicely. And I also have the raspberry. Ooh, yummy. And I also got a hazelnut and s'mores. Ooh. And I also have chocolate supreme, some Arctic white. Ooh, that must be delicious. And of course some raspberry and some salted hot chocolate. And this is from the same company as well. So we're gonna have to make sure all of that is available for people who may not want Jamaican chocolate. And I also have the non-flavored ones, just in case people don't like the flavored hot chocolate. I just got the plain ones, and this is from Tim Hortons. So you know, you have a few of those, you throw those in as well. And let's carry on. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this out of the way for now. I got some crushed candy cane, just to give everybody a little bit of everything. Grab some mini chocolate chips. You have to put those on. So I got my chocolate chip here. Okay, and then let's get some marshmallows going. I'm gonna put some marshmallows in here. Get some nice marshmallows going. I got some candy and some marshmallows for anyone that wants marshmallows. And of course my Jamaican hot chocolate is in my pot. I'll show you in a second, guys, when I'm finished setting up. All right, have my Christmas tree there, and then flavored stuff. I'm just gonna put it on one side. So I have some Tim Hortons flavors here, that on one side. Okay, so let's just get our cookies going and finish up our station, right? We got some whipped cream here. Can't forget the whipped cream, right? And you saw me purchase this in a haul. I'm gonna put a link below to that haul. And so I grabbed my tray with a parchment paper on it. I got some shredded coconuts here, so anybody wants to put it on. I'm starting to prepare the cookies tray, my friends, and I lined the tray with some parchment paper. So I'm just gonna add in my stuff. Okay, my friends, here we go. My hot chocolate station is ready. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my goodness, yummy, yummy stuff that's on here. I just want to show you, I got some cookies with cream inside the middle. I got my animal crackers there, some mini chocolate chip, some chocolate chip, big chunks, some fig Newtons, some wafers, and I also added some plain crackers just in case someone doesn't want the sweets. So there's lots of sweets on here, and also those sesame seed snaps, I think they're called. Beautiful. I also have the Jamaican hot chocolate in the teapot. I also have some whipped cream here as well. Some whipped cream. I think this is coconut flavor. And here's my array of flavored hot chocolate. I do have some mini chocolate chips here, some crushed candy canes. I have some flake coconuts, some marshmallows, and then I have some plain coffee flavors, Tim Hortons brand over here. I have some hot water in here, just some plain hot water, and of course my Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. And so that's all set up and nice. And then over here I have the coffee station here, and I just have I have the coffee over here. I just turned it off actually. And then of course the mugs that we're going to be using for our coffee. Now you see it. This is it, my friends, my hot chocolate station. Beautiful. I think it's well done my way. I love it. And of course my Jamaican hot chocolate. Let me show you. Yeah, baby. And yeah, all these wonderful stuff. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching, my friends. And remember, regardless of where you begin, you can end with something better. Thank you for watching.